It's the worst video ever.
Okay, how are we gonna get to the garage?
I know. Okay. I gotcha. Hey, bud. You wanna see? Alright.
Okay, Mommy's stepping that into that.
Mommy's crazy.
Okay, the water.
The whole thing is water. I should have worn my sneakers and just walked on it. My waterproof sneakers.
Mommy, you made it. You see, just.
So, is the garage full of water?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, come on. Hey,
Call your daddy and tell him where is the key from the garage.
Where?
The key.
Alright. I'll call him. Alright, bye guys. It looks like a swamp. It looks like a swamp. It's cool how it's muddy grass. It's just that our grass is really uneven. So, some of it's taller than the other, and the lawn is kind of going like straight slope up. So, yeah, I know. 35-second video sucks. All I wanted to say was that because I didn't get to do it in the first video. Well, goodbye.